today I want to do a video just for the sheer ridiculousness of it. I'm actually very, very lucky and I don't often get mean comments on the interwebs. But when I do, they are usually just silly or ridiculous or, I don't know, just trolls. Trolling for whatever trolls troll for. I don't know, I'm not a troll, so I don't even know what the point is. But I've seen other people do videos reading their mean comments and I think it's kind of funny, and I think it's also a way to make light of people being otherwise terrible human beings. So, without further ado, let's do this. I think the brows were better in 2006, cry face. Now they're like half pencil, half hair. This one's long, so I might have to edit some of it out. We'll see. Why didn't you like what God gave you? And between your fingers. You look dirty. How much should you waste on this garbage? Just wait till you're really old and they have faded and you hold up a grandchild and the child says, "Grandma, your arms are dirty." You have pretty toes. Can I be your slave? She talks too much. It's actually true. Do people really watch this stuff? LMAO. Stupid looking tattoos, lady. No, the eyebrows are killing me. It doesn't look normal. Ah! People may choose any type of excuse they like, but no one gets any tattoos who doesn't at least hope people will note and comment. Kinda like why some people buy and or ride Harleys. People notice me without any question now. Again, good or bad. Attention! Wow, didn't realize you were a liberal. Gotta unfollow you. No offense, cause that'll hurt your pee-pee. Here, I found this. I think it's yours. I don't like having my pee-pee hurt. You must be one retarded bitch to make a statement like that. Yep, that's real. Cherry, I love you, but you really need to change the way you do your eyebrows. Sorry, heart. People really hate my eyebrows. I don't know, maybe my eyebrows are terrible. Are my eyebrows terrible? Tell me in the comment. Your tattoos take away from your beauty. That was such a nice compliment. You're insecure? Who isn't? You're a horrible person and success and happiness has been wasted on an evil person again. This is just a video to get hits. People wonder why Trump won, why Hitler reigned, because people like jerks. You're an example. So that's all I got. There's more. There's dozens and dozens of more. Most of the time when I get negative comments, especially when someone calls me a retarded bitch, I erase them because I don't like to feed the trolls. But you know what? It's also fun to make light of it because it's not real life. So those of you that do get negative comments on the interwebs, whether they hurt or they don't, just remember the internet is not real life and go hug somebody that actually loves you and don't take it too personally. But that's all I have for today and I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to check out these other videos that I have posted to see more of my wackiness. And if you want to see even more of my wackiness, be sure to subscribe for all things that are vintage and retro and general silliness.